So I'm about to do my laundry, and usually I get my detergent out of this recycled kimchi jar that I use after the original container broke, and I have to pour it into this measuring cup and use a lot of towels to wipe up the excess. But to save myself time and a lot of mess, this morning I'm going to use a laundry pod from Laundry Sauce. Besides having some of the strangest social media ads that I have ever seen, these laundry pods actually smell really good because they're scented with Australian sandalwood. And even just opening the box, you can just smell how powerful this scent is. If you don't like Australian sandalwood for some reason, they have an entire scent portfolio, and as you can see, all you need to do is throw 1 pod in for medium loads and 2 pods in for large loads. I'm gonna go ahead and use 1 pod because I am just washing a smaller load. This is what the pods look like inside it. It's almost like looking at a treasure chest containing liquid gold, or giant ikara, salmon eggs if you eat sushi a lot like me. So like I said, this morning, instead of having to use this really sticky measuring cup, all I have to do is grab this, put it here, close it, hit this button, and now we're good to go. Now that the cycle is done, you can see that if I open this, the laundry pod is completely gone, the plastic has all dissolved, and my laundry load is done. So my towels are now nice and clean and smell like Australian sandalwood, just like magic. So now not only does this face towel smell amazing, but I didn't have to use a measuring cup or clean up any detergent spills, and my hands have been clean and not sticky the entire time because all I did was throw in the laundry pod. So pick up some laundry sauce for yourself today, and you'll probably never go back to regular detergent.